Hi there. Today I will show you how to block or disable websites in your PC, and this will work for all the web browsers without any external software. Firstly, you can see I can browse Yahoo and Instagram as well in my PC from Chrome. But I want these two sites to be blocked from my computer so that none can access those. So, let's begin. Come to Start. Type Notepad. Right-click and run as administrator. And it's very important. From File, come to Open. C Drive. Windows. System 32. Drivers. etc. Now choose all files. Come to Host and open it. Copy this numeric code. Paste at the bottom. Now I am typing yahoo.com with www. Another is Instagram. Follow the same way I write them. Finally, come to File and save it. Time to check back. Yahoo.com. Nope. The source is not working. Then Instagram. It's not working too. So, we did it successfully. The sites are blocked. Now to reopen them. Simply come to Host File and delete the texts you have added. The site is working again. So, this is the simple way to block any unwanted websites in your PC from all the browsers, without any external software. Please let us know if this helped you. Be with us and inspire by subscribing. Goodbye.